I have two bamboo roll that I tried to put up there, and it was way too long and it was crowded, and I was thinking to cut them off on the both end and it would have been looked great, but I thought it would be a waste because we already have this up here and I really like that, so I don't want to change that. That would be crazy to get rid of. So I'm going to use that other bamboo somewhere else. But now I'm thinking, because we haven't figured out the backsplash situation, so I was thinking, what if I try a wallpaper instead, and we will see how we like it. And so far I really like it, so I think I'm gonna go for it. And I was thinking maybe I should do all the ceiling. I'm not sure if I should do, because it's kind of complicated up there, so maybe I'm just gonna go up to that height. And for now this is it. Maybe we're going to leave it like that. I mean, not like that. I'm going to stick it up on the wall. Okay, I really love how it turned out. I really like it because it's not too busy against this rest of the things that we have going on. And I used up the whole entire roll, and I'm gonna need more. Just this tiny slot over here and on the bottom. So just because of that, I have to order another roll. But I really love how it turned out. And then it will look better once we have the trim around the window, and we will probably change that one too. So it's gonna be white and it's gonna have a trim, so that will look nicer that way. And since we are really like this pattern, we might going to opt with this type of tile eventually, because I like it that it gives an extra interest to the wall, but it's not overwhelming and nothing crazy. Easter. I'm more like decorating for spring, so I don't have a very different way of decorating as what I already have. So I don't have specific Easter decorations, but with a little bit of a help from the forest and just having just some moss and fern around here, I can use some string lights. And also I have this little bird, but they used a real feather, and it is really inexpensive. I think I paid $10 or $15. I have the link, so I will put it down below what I bought, but I got like 14, so half of them I give it to my friend because I don't need that many and she likes birds. But I'm going to use this for Easter decoration as well. I also have these Lily of the Valley. I bought this at the craft warehouse years ago and I have this little glass vase from the dollar store, so that's what I used for the base. And I just put it into a simple vase, and this is what I'm going to put into the window in the bathroom. This decoration is super easy. I just put it into the Google search bunny and all kinds of sorts of cute prints came up, and basically I just printed out, I cut it out, and I can use it for many things. I can put it into decorate the muffins and many other ideas for how to decorate with that. Also, here's another idea. If you want to have a cute little decoration at the table for each person, oh, I wanted to tell you that fertilizer I made from the banana peels, it is amazing. And also I used the rice water. Oh, let me get it done. Ooh, it's got such a vibrant color and it started to have new leaves, so it's been working really nicely. And I also additionally I started to save the water when I rinse off the rice, and I like to use that as a fertilizer as well, and I think it's been working really nice.